You don't need 10 different apps just to find out what your PC can do. GeekBench for the CPU, 3D Mark for the GPU, CrystalDiskMark for your storage, PassMark for RAM, and then you're sitting there afterward trying to piece together 4 different scores into one picture. We got tired of doing that ourselves, so we built something that does it all in one place. It's called VeloBench, and if you're just testing your own machine, it's completely free. Hey, welcome back to Epidus, and if you're new here, welcome. Glad you found your way to the channel. What you're looking at is the first beta release of VeloBench for Windows. It's a full benchmarking suite for your PC, CPU, GPU, storage, RAM, and thermals, all under one roof. Stick around because near the end, I'm going to show you the one feature in this app that I think is actually the best part of the whole thing. Getting started is easy. Download it from the official website. It's linked down in the description and pinned in the comments. Install it like you would anything else. Open it up, and you'll see a button that says Run Full Benchmark. Click it, and it gets to work. For me, a full run takes around 10 minutes. In that window, it's putting your CPU, GPU, storage, RAM, and thermal performance through their paces. One thing worth mentioning, keep your PC somewhere with decent airflow while it's running. You're pushing real load onto the hardware, and a cramped, hot space is the last thing you want during a stress test like this. Also, keep it connected to the internet the whole time. VeloBench sends your results to our website as it runs, and that's where you'll actually see everything once it's finished. While the benchmark is going, you'll see live temperature and usage numbers for your CPU and GPU right there on screen. It's honestly a pretty satisfying way to watch exactly how hard your machine is working in real time. Once it wraps up, head over to the website and you'll see a score for your PC. Nothing complicated about it. The higher the number, the more performance you're getting. But if you want more than just a number, scroll down and you'll find every individual test broken out in detail so you can see exactly where your PC is doing well and where it's falling behind. We're still actively auditing how all of this gets scored, and we're already building cross-platform versions of VeloBench too. If you want to compare results with a friend or just show off a bit, you can share your benchmark URL directly. Anyone with that link can pull it up and see exactly how your build stacks up. You don't even need the website for most of this, by the way. There's a results tab built right into the app that shows you the same thing. Okay, here's the part I promised you. The compare page is, in my opinion, the best thing VeloBench does. It tracks your scores over time and shows you, component by component, exactly what improved and what dropped since your last run. Upgrade your RAM, clean the dust out of your case, do a fresh Windows install, whatever it is, you don't have to guess whether it actually helped. You can just look at the numbers. One more thing before I wrap up. You don't have to run the full benchmark every time. You can test individual parts on their own too, CPU, GPU, RAM, whichever one you actually care about at the moment. Let me show you quickly. Here's the CPU benchmark running by itself. This one's shorter, around 5 to 6 minutes. And it gives you a full single core and multi-core breakdown specifically for your processor. That's really the whole app. And just to be clear again, if you're using VeloBench on your own PC for personal use, it's free, no catch. If you're another YouTuber and you want to make your own video reviewing VeloBench, go right ahead. We're genuinely fine with that. Just mention the website somewhere in your description or pinned in the comments so people can find it. And be a little patient with us. This is our first version, and we're actively fixing bugs and building this out as we go. If you've got ideas for what we should add or change next, I actually want to hear them. Drop them in the comments. I go through all of it. Thanks for watching. This is the Epidus signing off.